Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great in your life. I hope you all are fine and fine. So in this video, I will be talking. I will be solving the assignment of Introduction to Programming with MATLAB, and I've covered till week 6. Now I'll start from week 7 from now. So if you didn't watch my previous video of this series, so you can watch it out. I'll put the link of this playlist in the description below. You can check it out as well. So I'll start from the first graded assessment of week 7, which is for loop practice. So let's open it in the new window. So let's move to the new window. Oh no, it's opening. It might take some time. Okay, it's now opened. Okay, so practice for loop half sum. Write a function called half sum. So we have to write a function which is half sum. We have covered how to write a function in my previous assessment problems as well, because we have done the assessment of functions if else in very detail. So you can check it out if your concept is not clear. Write a function that takes as input a matrix, okay, and computes the sum of its element, okay. It's compute all the sum of elements that are in the diagonal and are in the right of it, okay. Diagonal 159 and right to it 236 mean the upper matrix you can say. The upper matrix is this one, 159 and 632, and lower matrix 159 874. So the diagonal is defined as the set of those elements whose column and row indices are the same, okay, we know that. In other words, the function adds up the elements in the upper triangular matrix. Yeah, upper triangular matrix you can say. This one is upper triangular matrix. The name of the output is summa, okay. So let me open my MATLAB. If you don't have MATLAB software then you can directly write a code here as well, but there is one way how to run MATLAB online. I made a video on it. I'll put the link of that video as well in the description below. You can watch out if you have problem with how to run MATLAB online, how to write a script, how to do Simulink online. So I'll definitely put that. If you have problem, you definitely check it out. It will. Okay, so let me open a new tab. I've opened it. Let me write a function. What is the function name? Function name is half sum, and the return value is summa. SUMMA, summa is equal to half sum. Upper triangular matrix. It takes one matrix, okay, matrix M, and return summa value, okay. Now let me take the matrix row and column. How much? As you know, if A is a matrix, then size of A gives the row and column of that matrix, this order of that matrix. So I'll put it in the list, row comma column. Row column is equal to size of. As you can see, if A is equal to 2, the ones 3, 4. It is a 3 by 4 matrix of 1. So size of A will return 3 by 4. As you can see from here as well, 3 by 4. So it will return the row and column vector. So after that we have to print a sum. So let's say sum is equal to initially 0. So we'll apply for loop here. For row, for I will go from 1 till row. Okay, 1 till row. Okay, then 4. Column will also go. J will also go. It is from 1 to last till the row. It will move from here to here, and in column we have to go from row to till the last element, row to column. Row is 1, then we have to go to from here till here add. If we are in second, then row will be 2, then we have to add only 1. In this case, this is as the upper matrix. So we'll go from row to column. Okay. After that we will sum. Sum is equal to sum plus m of row comma column. Okay. Now let's in that, and after that in another for loop as well, and then at the end in the function. Okay, let's see if it works or not. So if A is equal to, first let me CLC. Okay, CLC. A is equal to 1, 4, 4. Then what is the sum? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The sum should be 10. 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so it should print sum. So let me run first. Save it and it has been done. So let me A. It should print sum is 4. Okay, let final sum. What will 14? It will go 1 to okay. I have been adding only the row and column, so that is the mistakes. So what it should be? It should be I comma j. Now let's run this because we have incremented by this one. So it is also not working. Summa is equal to. Okay, it should because I have done some mistake here. If here is summa, then we have to write here summa as well. So if summa, we haven't written summa. So let me return summa from here. Summa is equal to yes. So let me run it again. Yeah, it is working fine now, I think. So let me copy the code. Let's see, it should work. I think run function 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It's print 26. No, it is printing only 18. What is the mistake here? I should print summa every time. So I do 3 1 2 3. Okay, 3 3 6 9 9 9 80. It is not adding to 1 and 5. What is the problem? There is here if we CLC, we have done CLC is equal to 9 summa of some returns 4. This 1 2 3 4, it returns these 4 only. This one only, it doesn't. What I have done is to what is wrong here? I didn't understand. Let me quickly read the code. Function is equal to this one. It should okay. Let me CLC. A is equal to okay. It will start from 1 to R and it will go from R. R will be the what will be R? R will be 4. Then it will start. Okay, the miss is here. It should start from I. This one. Okay, now I think it should be fine. Let me run it. Option okay. That's fine. So let's let me run this function. Needs to print what? 26. Yeah, at the end summa is equal to 26. Let me submit this code. Due to the little mistake which I have done here, you can see how much cost it problem. So I'll put the whole code in my GitHub repo. You can access from there as well. Let me do it quickly. Git add star git. This is for week 7, I think. Okay. Let me make cd.ls. Let me mkdir week 7 seed and mv dot slash week 6. What is the half sum? Half sum 2 dot slash week 7 slash. I hope it works. CD week 7 ls. Yeah, it has been working. So let me add git add star git commit minus m week 7 for loop git post. Okay, now you can access my code from here as well. Let me refresh. So week 7 has been come, so you can access my code from here as well. I'll put the link of this GitHub repo in my YouTube description box, and I'll also put the link of my previous video so you can watch it. So thank you so much for watching.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't